Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. And today is news trading because of this non-farm payroll is out. And before we move further, okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. Okay, with that, I think we move forward to live trading, and today is news trading. Okay, the data we are expecting is average early earnings. The market is forecast is 0.3%, and non-farm employment change is about 106k. Okay, 106k, and unemployment rate is about 4.1%, and followed by at 2200 hours we have ISM manufacturing PMI, which is 47.6. Okay, and so now any data, okay, that is good in favor of the dollar, okay, meaning if the data is good, then the data should be the dollar strength should be seen. Okay, basically we should be seeing the dollar yen going up, euro dollar coming up, pound dollar coming down, and gold also should be coming down, and 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 this is the situation. On the other hand, if the data is bad, we may see a weakness in the dollar. That means euro dollar will be going up, pound dollar also will be going up, dollar yen should be coming down, and followed by the gold also going up. Okay, now what we are going to do is, okay, we are going to trade. Okay, let me see whether we have any signals. Okay, we don't have any trades open and any signals because today is being the first trading day of the month and last trading day of the week. So we are going to put in trades. Mainly, we will try to put in euro dollar, dollar yen, and gold. Okay, this three. Maybe if you see, then probably we may put in pound. Okay, and what we are going to do is we are going to anticipate. Okay, that means one good data and one bad data. Okay, either way, if we see, then we should be able to catch the move. And also remember that whatever the trade, if let's say the market, if the data is came out to be as expected, then we may not get any big movement. Okay, if that's the case, then of course we would go as normal trading. So what I need you to do is, okay, we will put in the orders, you key in the orders, and after the trade, post announcement, then we will be telling you that, okay, what is to be done and how we can manage the trade. Okay, let's go one by one. Okay, let's start off with euro dollar. Okay, the euro dollar, okay, how we are going to trade the news is we are going to get the range. Then of course we are going to project the levels. Then we will be putting trades based on the projected levels. So that note, okay, either way, then we should be able to get the best entry and we should be able to move on. Okay, euro dollar, in fact today's range, okay, today's range is, the low is 10850 and the high is 10890, and right now the market is trading at 10870. Okay, overall, if you look into the trend, I just look at uh, the system. Okay, it's literally is flat. Okay, we don't see any movement on the. Let me see. Okay, let me see. So we see here is literally is flat. Your 360 daily for the past 2 days has been going up. Okay, for the past 2 days. Then we have a 360, sorry, 720. There are three levels of support. Then 360 is flat with a selling force, and weekly is also flat. So overall this is a mixed bias. Okay, this is a mixed bias, and we are going to do Okay, what we are going to do is, okay, we are, like we said that we got the low as 10850 and with the high at 10890, and moreover, okay, we feel that this market is in a mixed bias. So what we are going to do is we are going to put in the trade at a projected levels. Okay, let me get the page. Sorry, yeah. Okay, so this is the euro dollar. So what do I mean by projected levels? So that means we are going to take a trade. Okay, this is going to be, okay, remember the range we are looking at is 10850 and 10890. So when we look into the chart, okay, let's assume that the data is bad. Okay, if the data is bad, then we should be getting a spike down towards an extension of 8020. Okay, 820 or 815, or even max is 810. Okay, 810. So when we look into the system, okay, 810, okay, 805, 810, there is a strong support. So now we are going to buy at 810 and exit at 850. Okay, 850. Then stop at 785. So 785. So this is if the data is bad. Sorry, if the data is good. If the data is good, then we should see the euro dollar coming down. And on the other hand, if let's say the data is bad, then we should be seeing an extension of 10915. Okay, that should be your selling level, 10915. So that one, the TP should be 10915 and TP is 10. Okay, we can put it as 10920, and we can put a TP of extension from here to here, which is 10880. Okay, so we have two orders. So two orders based on data good and data bad. Okay, so what we are going to do is, okay, euro dollar, we are, if the data is good, okay, we have an order to buy at 10805 or maybe 10810 and 785 and 10850. Okay, so this is going to be if the data is good. Then if the data is bad, we are going to sell at 10920, stop at 45, TP at 10880. Okay, this is a 40 pips move. Okay, either way we should be able to get the move if in the sense that the data comes out to be extremely good or extremely bad, then we should be getting this order filled. But on the other hand, if let's assume that the data came out to be as expected, then we may get the market not moving and not having any big moves. Okay, so this is for euro dollar. Then the next we are going to go into dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, coming back to this dollar yen, okay, let me show you the dollar yen chart. Okay, so the dollar yen, okay, right now this is within the range 15180 and 152.85. Then we have the previous day high at 15360 and previous day low is 15190. So that means today's low is just lower by 10 pips, then it moved back. Okay, so now what we are going to do on this is, if the data is good, okay, good, then we may see the extension of this price. Okay, right now this is the price here, so our stop loss should be above 40 to 50. Okay, 50, or maybe even we can put it as 60. Then we can put an entry level, okay, at 153.30. Okay, selling at 153.30. Okay, this one we have 30. Then our TP should be, if we are selling at 153.30, our TP should be, let me see the figure, about 152.80. Okay, this is for if the data is good. Okay, selling at 30, stop at 60, then TP at 152.80. Then on the other hand, if let's say the data is bad, then we may see a extension of this, which is 152. So we will take as 152, then stop at 151.75. Then our TP would be 152.50. Okay, 50. Okay, somewhere below this. Okay, so I think we have got for dollar yen as well. Okay, dollar yen, we are going to put okay, this is until half an hour after the data is out. Then we have one more buying. Okay, 15255, yeah, 55 should be okay. So we have two orders on the yen. So this is either way. Okay, let's see after the data is out, then we will see what to do, because we might get a big spike on either direction, whichever way the data comes in. Okay, so this is going to be for dollar yen. The next one is we'll try to do on the gold, then followed by the pound. Okay, followed by the pound. So if we look into the gold, okay, the range today is 2757 half. That is on the high side, and on the low side is 2744, and the market open at 2744. That means market open near the low. So near the low, okay, this is we are going to go into okay, gold. So the gold similar. Okay, this is the range. So if you look into the gold chart, okay, if you look into the gold chart, okay, we may have seen the a high on the hourly, and now right now we are seeing a correction, and we should see the price moving lower if the data is good. So on that note, if we are going to go for a sell, okay, we will try to put in extension of this level. Okay, extension of this level, which should be 65. Okay, to 2765. Okay, let me double check with the system. Okay, 65, 66 should be a good level to short if we get it. Okay, so here if we are trying to sell at 65, put a stop above 60. Okay, we don't want to risk too much. Okay, we will put it as 69. Okay, 68 or 69. Then our TP should be because gold is in a downtrend. Okay, I mean the correction has started. So what we feel is, even if the data is good, I mean definitely sorry, even if the data is bad, the price can go up, then eventually turn down and test the lows. Okay, so that means the low side we will take it as of now as the current low, which is 44 or even 40. Okay, that's what we are looking for. So we'll try to sell at 65, stop at 69, and TP at 44. So this is if the data is bad. And on the other hand, if let's assume the data is good, okay, we should see the price moving towards 38 or even 36. Yeah, about 36, 37. So that should be your buying level, 37 or 37, 38. So on that, if let's say we buy at 38, then what we feel is we should come up, then eventually it should come down. So if we buy at 37, 38, we should exit at 44. Okay, 44, that's only about $6 move. Then eventually we should see the price moving lower. Okay, so this is what for the gold. Okay, let me key in the orders. Okay, gold, first order is if the data is bad. Okay, bad, we should see the price moving to 765, 69. And remember I said this one we try to put it near the low. Okay, this is because we feel that the trend is still I mean the trend has turned down, so we feel that there's more downward pressure is expected than the upward pressure. So that's the reason we are putting in at $21. Okay, then on the other hand, okay, if the data is good, okay, we may get a spike down. Okay, spike down, and this one what we are trying to do is we are trying to buy at 38, 34, and maybe 27, 44, 44 half. And this is only, we are looking at only $6.5 profit. So this is for gold in the event. Okay, in the event if it's a good data comes out, then we should get a spike down and this order should get filled. Okay, so take down these orders. So now finally, okay, we have another 11 more minutes. Okay, then we'll try to put in the pound order. Okay, we'll go for the pound. So here can you take down the screenshot and key in the orders, and we will see how to manage it once the data. So what is going to be happen is we are going to do it as a pre-announcement. Okay, this is what we are mentally prepared and this is what we should be expecting, and post announcement after the data is out, then we'll tell you what to do and how we can go about with things. Okay, the next one is pound. Okay, the pound, in fact the previous day was range was 128.45 and 130, and today's range is 128.85 and 129.25. So there's only about 40 pips move today, and yesterday there was 150 pips move, and yesterday was a big drop. So taking that into consideration, okay, that means chances are, that means, you know, the pound is in a downtrend, so more downward pressure is expected. Okay, so let's look into the chart, I think this is also similar to the gold, so that means we may see the low break, and this is also, if I not mistaken, I think this is going to be a weekly. So overall is the selling pressure is expected, and right now the support has taken, and if it breaks, then we may see the price moving lower towards 127 80. Okay, 12780 or 90, that level. So for this note, what we feel is 128, let me see, 128, yeah, about 12780 I think should be okay. Okay, so here, based on this, okay, same thing, if the data is good, then we may see a extension towards this level 12975 or 130. Okay, let's see retracement of this. I don't see the price going above 30. Okay, I don't see the price going above 30. Let me see a channel. Yeah, about 70 75 should be a good selling level. So on that note, okay, we'll try to sell at 75, stop at 130.005, because the yesterday's high was 130. Then if you're selling at 75, then your support now becomes 12905, but remember, pound is weak. Okay, pound is weak, so we can put in at 12890, 90 or 129. Okay, so this is for if the data is bad. Okay, if the data is good, then we should be seeing the price extension of this, and we should see the price somewhere 12865. Okay, 60 65, and stop at 40, then TP at 12910 or 15. Okay, so I think we have got all the informations needed. Remember, we only have 6 more minutes to go, and we will key in this order. Okay, pound selling $129.75. Okay, 75, stop at 35, and 12920. I remember I told you the pound I'm getting weaker, so it's 12890. Okay, this is for the pound, and buying order for the pound is 12865, stop at 12840. Sorry, remember the yesterday's low was 45 and that is also current week's low. So then exit at 12915. Okay, 15 or 10. Okay, so this is also about 21 other hours. So these are all our orders. Okay, I suggest you key in. So we have 4 orders altogether. Okay, so remember, when we do a news trading, okay, there's 2 things you must understand: that we don't force ourselves to take trades. So if there is an opportunity, we will grab it. If there is no opportunity, then it's well and good. Then we will take. Then after the announcement, then we will go as a normal trade. So this is just the 15 minutes spike which we are seeing. The spike can be in either side. And remember, the news, if the data is good, we might get a spike in one direction. If bad, you should get a spike in another direction. If the data is same as expected, then chances are this market may be not telling us anything. Then of course we will take this as a normal trade. Then after that I will adjust the levels. So this is what we are getting get we are supposed to get ourselves prepared and put in the trade like this. Okay, let me we have 4 more minutes. Okay, I suggest you key in the orders. Let me also key in the orders, so at least excuse me, 65, 36, 30, 52. Okay, then euro dollar. Okay, so I have keyed in the orders. Okay, we have 3 more minutes to go. This is $14, so 74. Okay, 2 more minutes. Okay, and I believe you have keyed in the orders. Okay, I repeat, euro buying at 10, 810, stop at 785, 850. Euro selling at 920, 945, stop 880. Dollar yen selling at 5, 330, stop at 60 and 280. Dollar yen buying at 5205, stop at 5175 and 5255. Gold selling at 65 and gold buying at 38. Okay, then pound selling at 2975 and pound buying at 2865. Okay, so the stop I think we just put in, and of course we are expecting weakness on the gold and the pound. Okay, the euro dollar and the dollar yen is a mixed signals, so this can go on either direction. So that is the thing, and good luck to all of you. So if you are really concentrating on this, let's see. I just want to put in a stop. Okay. Okay, we have 3 seconds. Okay, good luck, and let's see how the market is responding and see whether we have got any orders filled. Okay, let's see. Okay, the pound is going up. Okay, pound is going up, and gold. Okay, let's see the gold. Okay, let me change the screen. I think better we see the screen. Okay, the gold has gone up to 58. Okay, let's see. 58, and the data came out to be, wow, very bad. Okay, very bad. That means it's only 12k, 12k, and market was expecting 106, and average hourly earnings is 0.4%, and dollar yen is not that movement yet. Okay, it's not that movement yet, and unemployment rate is 4.1%. Okay, so overall, I think uh, we are getting one good data, one bad, and one as expected. Okay, let's see the gold. Let's see the gold. Okay, I'm not sure any order got filled. Okay, we have still too early. Okay, we have another 15 minutes for this trade to see, and let's see how this market is moving. Okay, dollar yen is filled, 152. Okay, I'm not sure whether you got it filled. Okay, I got it filled, and right now this is making about 5 pips. Okay, dollar yen is filled. Okay, the low just now was 152 thing. So this order is filled. Okay, pound. Okay, the pound is moving. Let's see what is the pound doing. Okay, dollar yen is coming off. It's really coming off. Okay, the pound we were trying to sell at 75, and I think the high is about 65. So it's about 65. Okay, tighten the stop a bit, dollar yen. We will try to. Where is the stop we put? Just now we put at 75. So try to raise it to 80. Okay, tighten the stop a bit, and okay, I'm not sure this figure. Okay, my server is not updating. Okay, let me see the chart. Okay, this kind of data you see here, if the gold, this is not showing a movement, that means, most likely after that 15 minutes we should see the price turning down. Okay, so here, if this okay, this is going to last for until 10 o'clock. Okay, 10 o'clock. So we try to we'll try to see the price stable a bit, but actually we can sell at 58. In fact, if you want, you can sell at 58, but right now I think we don't want to really force ourselves on this trade. Let's see how the next 10 minutes, but I think we should not see the price moving above 58. So if you really you want to try, you can go ahead on that. Okay, let me see. Actually, if you want to do a half lot, you may want to do so, that means trying to sell at 58. Okay, still we are showing some strength. uh, for those of you, if you feel you want to take half lot, you may do so. For those of you who feel if you are conservative, then what I would suggest is we'll uh, try to wait for another 9 more minutes. Okay, we'll see. So of course, if we get it at 65, I think it would be good. It would be really good if we can get it at 65. We have 8 more minutes for this candlestick, and we should be. I think we should be able to see at least 62. Okay, 62 should be. I think you should be comfortably seeing 62. Okay, I'm not sure whether 65 can be seen. Okay, 62 would be a level. Then after that, we should see the price coming down. Okay, after that, we should see the price coming down towards 40. So just try to pay attention. Definitely, gold would be a good bet to trade today. We just give another 7 more minutes. Okay, we'll see how high it can go. So I'm looking at about 62 to be sold at 62 instead of 65. Okay, let me change that order. 7 more minutes. If you are selling at 62, try to put your stop at 66 or 67, and TP we can put it same as 44 or lower. Okay, we are seeing some strength. We still see that there is another 7 minutes of strength we should be seeing on this. And let's say we do an extension of this. Yeah, between 62 to 63 we should see the price turning down. Okay, we'll give another 6 more minutes for this trade. Okay, 6 more minutes. Then after that, I think we should see the price turning down. And we shouldn't see the price going above 70 or 71. So that is the key level for us to pay attention to. Okay, let me see. 70. Yeah, but 70, 71 is a key level. And another thing I want to tell you is, once we see the break of 54, then weakness should be seen. Okay, so that is another clue I'm also giving you. So break 54, weakness, try to sell at 62, and we should give another 5 more minutes. Okay, 5 more minutes for this trade to get it filled. Then if you don't get it filled, then we may want to sell at 59 or lower. Okay, so let's see what happens. We have 5 more minutes. Okay, 5 more minutes, and let's see whether we can get this order try to get filled. Okay, remember I'm saying this 59 might be the high. Okay, I'm not sure, but I'm looking at 62 or 65 to be the high. Then it would be a comfort zone. So for those of you who feel you want to enter, this is up to you. Okay, this is up to you whether do you want to enter or you don't want to enter. This is up to you. Okay, so okay, let's while we are waiting for that, okay, let's see the euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. Remember, we wanted to sell at uh, okay. Right now, this has hit the resistance. Okay, right now this is hitting the 109, and we are trying to sell at 109 15. Okay, I think this one also we have another three more uh, 3 more hours. Sorry, 3 more minutes. Okay, 3 more minutes. We should see the market turning. Or worst scenario, it would be another 1 hour 15 minutes. We should be able to see the market turning down. Okay, what I can suggest to you is, okay, if you are playing a very tight game, okay, probably try to sell at 57, 57 or 58, then put a stop at 61 half. Okay, but you want to do that, you may do so. Let me try to sell at 58 also. 58 or 57, try to sell. Okay, then this one maybe you can do a half lot with the 61 half as your stop loss. Okay, 61 half as your stop loss. Okay, you can see that this weakness is a fail break. Okay, which is as we expected. Okay, we expected this fail, but okay, I still have not got the move yet. Okay, I'm not sure how many of you managed to sell. If anyone managed to sell, maybe can you give in the chat column saying that you sold or what price? Then at least we know that, okay, at least someone is taking the trade and someone is being with the trade. And I put it as 57. So I'm trying to sell at 57. So is there anyone here who managed to sold gold? If you sold, then you just tell me what is the price you sell. Then of course, then we can see how we can go about it. Okay, now right now I'm just holding a dollar yen. Only dollar yen. In fact, I bought at 52, and right now this is still about losing. It's still not made a turn yet. So is there anyone here in this room managed to sell gold? 57, 58? Anyone managed to do that? I put it as 57. I tried, but still not filled yet. Okay, euro dollar. I think you can go for a sell as well. 109. If you can get 109, I think you can go ahead. Okay, 109. You can go ahead for the euro dollar. Okay, pound. also, I think we put at 75. Okay, pound. Let me see. Think we missed it. Okay, let's see whether we'll get it. Okay, here pound. Pound. If you feel you want to sell, okay, this strength should last for only another 15 minutes. Okay, let's see what is the, yeah. So this one, I think pound, if you want to sell at 129.60, you may do so. Okay, 60, and stop at maybe 90 or 95. Okay, this is also a viable trade. Okay, my gold is still not filled yet. I'm getting 56, but not higher. Anyone manage to sell gold? Doesn't matter. I think that news. I don't think this would be. This is the biggest news. Okay, so even the next news may come in. That might. I don't think that would might be a big move. Okay, now you see, got it. It's coming off. Gold. Okay, we missed. Okay, let me see. So it's a failed thing. So I'm not sure whether you want to sell. Remember, I told you below 54, more weakness is to be seen. Okay. So maybe let's try 55 half. Let me try one last time. So I want to try one last time at 55 half, stop at 59 half, and TP still remains. I'm looking at 44 or 38. So these are the two levels I'm looking for. So I think we missed this trade. I think we should have taken at 57. Okay, now I'm trying at 55 half.